Israeli forces have intensified their ground operations in Gaza City, resulting in at least 36 Palestinian casualties on 23 September. The offensive aims to seize control of the city, leading to the destruction of residential buildings and forcing thousands to flee southward Al-Jazeera. Destruction of medical facilities. On 23 September, an Israeli airstrike demolished a 6-story health center in Gaza City, previously evacuated under Israeli orders. This facility provided critical services, including trauma care and treatment for chronic diseases. AP News. Overwhelmed healthcare system. Hospitals at capacity. Remaining hospitals in central and southern Gaza are overwhelmed by a massive influx of injured and displaced individuals. Facilities like the Nasser Medical Complex are operating beyond their limits, with severe shortages of essential medical supplies. The Guardian. Displacement crisis. Over 320,000 people have been displaced within Gaza, many seeking refuge in areas already under strain. The lack of safe access routes and adequate infrastructure exacerbates the humanitarian crisis. The Guardian. International reactions and humanitarian efforts. European Union's Reconstruction Initiative. The European Union has announced plans to establish a Palestine donor group to support the reconstruction of Gaza. This initiative includes creating a dedicated financial instrument to facilitate rebuilding efforts, with an emphasis on a two-state solution. The Times of India. UN report on Israeli actions. A United Nations Commission report released on 23 September accuses the Israeli government of seeking permanent control over Gaza and aiming to secure a Jewish demographic majority in the occupied West Bank. The report outlines extensive and systematic demolitions carried out by Israeli forces in Gaza, stating these actions have expanded Israeli territorial control to 75% of the Strip by July 2025. Reuters.